Hello! In this video I want to show you how you can merge several calls into one from collaboration. You might be asking me right now, why do I need this? I can create a web conference like this. Well, imagine a situation when you are already on a call with someone who is away from their PC and you need to add another person to this call. On the go. I will show you how you can do it. So, you need at least one call. Here is our first call, answer. And right now we can already create a conference room. To do it, press arrow down button and then plus conference. And right now this is a conference. And I'm the conference organizer. You can see the conference has the name conf324, which is my extension number. Okay, now I want to add another person to this conference. I should call this person first. And now to add this person, I need to press again arrow down button from the call window and plus conference. And now we are all in this conference. Okay. Now, one important thing I want to tell you is that I cannot finish the conference by simply pressing hang up. If I do so, I will receive callbacks from my participants because I am the conference organizer. Okay, so I will show you the correct way to finish the conference. Let's merge these calls back into one. To do it, I need to press arrow down plus conference from either of these call windows. And right now we are again in the conference. So to finish the conference, I should wait till my participants hang up. So one person hangs up, the second person hangs up, and now I can hang up to finish the conference. That's it. Now, the last thing I want to tell you today about the conference call is that we have the feature code for the conference, which is 98. So any person can join the conference right now by dialing 98 and then entering the PIN code for the conference. Where do you find the PIN code for the conference? It's right here. In my case, it's 324. So any person can right now, any PBX user can dial right now 98*324 and join the conference like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.